Welcome back to my channel. Today, we are diving deep into one of the most legendary Soviet bombers that shaped the Cold War skies at the Tupolev Tu-16, famously known by its NATO name Badger. This 2026 review will take you through its exterior details, performance capabilities, and a short look inside the cockpit and systems that made it one of the most enduring aircraft of its era. The Tu-16 Badger is not just another bomber, it's a symbol of Soviet engineering excellence. First flown in the early 1950s, it became one of the most widely used jet bombers in the world, serving across decades and countless variations. Even in 2026, the Tu-16 continues to fascinate aviation enthusiasts and historians alike because of its robust design, adaptability, and sheer power. When you see a Tu-16 on the tarmac, its massive size and swept wings immediately command attention. The twin-engine layout gives it a unique, balanced silhouette that still looks purposeful and aggressive even today. The aircraft's smooth fuselage, large air intakes, and distinctive swept-back tail design were ahead of their time and influenced many later designs in strategic aviation. Let's start with the exterior. The Tu-16 Badger stretches around 34 meters in length, with a wingspan of nearly 33 meters. Its wings are swept back at about 35 degrees, optimized for high-speed, long-range missions. The aircraft sits low and wide, giving it a grounded, sturdy stance on the airbase. The engines are mounted on the wing roots, giving the body a cleaner aerodynamic profile. The nose section houses radar systems in a glazed observation area, which adds to its classic military aesthetic. The landing gear is robust and widely spaced, designed for heavy loads and rough runways, allowing the Tu-16 to operate from various air bases across the Soviet Union and Allied territories. In terms of performance, the Tu-16 Badger was a workhorse. Powered by two Michelin AM3 turbojet engines, it produced a combined thrust of more than 18,000 kilograms, allowing it to reach speeds of around 1,000 kilometers per hour. For a bomber of its size, that's impressive even by today's standards. It could fly at altitudes of over 40,000 feet and had a combat range of nearly 4,800 kilometers, giving it strategic reach up into enemy territory. It carried a bomb load of up to 9,000 kilograms, including nuclear or conventional ordnance. Later versions were adopted to carry anti-ship missiles, cruise missiles, and reconnaissance pods, transforming the Badger into a multi-role platform decades before that term became popular. Its avionics systems, although primitive by modern standards, were highly advanced for their time. The radar in the nose section could track and engage both land and naval targets, while the defensive tail turret, armed with twin 23mm cannons, gave the Tu-16 protection against pursuing fighters. Many later modifications replaced manual systems with semi-automatic controls, improving efficiency and reducing crew workload. Despite its age, the Tu-16 demonstrated incredible durability and reliability. Many airframes served for over 30 years, surviving upgrades, new weapon systems, and changes in mission profiles. Even today, some variants like the Chinese-built Xi'an H-6, derived from the Tu-16 design, continue to fly, a testament to the aircraft's lasting engineering strength. Now let's talk about the interior. Inside the Tu-16 cockpit, you immediately feel the rugged Soviet design philosophy. Every switch, dial, and instrument has a purpose. The layout is practical, not luxurious, it's built for function and endurance. The cockpit features analog gauges, mechanical levers, and green-lit instrument panels typical of Cold War-era Soviet aircraft. The pilot and co-pilot sit side by side, surrounded by dense arrays of switches and displays. Behind them, the navigator and bombardier positions are cramped but efficient, packed with targeting systems and communication gear. The visibility from the cockpit isn't wide like modern bombers, but it gives a commanding forward view ideal for precision bombing and long-range navigation. The overall feel is heavy, mechanical, and purposeful. You can sense the raw power behind the systems. The Tu-16 was more than just a bomber, it was a symbol of strategic deterrence, a machine that projected Soviet air power across oceans and continents. Its ability to carry nuclear payloads, launch anti-ship missiles, and perform reconnaissance missions made it a versatile and formidable weapon. The aircraft also set the foundation for future generations of long-range bombers, bridging the gap between propeller-driven heavy bombers and the jet-powered strategic bombers that followed. In 2026, the Tu-16 Badger stands as a proud relic of the Cold War era, a living reminder of how powerful design and engineering can transcend time. Whether you're an aviation enthusiast, a historian, or just someone who appreciates classic military hardware, the Tu-16 remains one of the most iconic aircraft ever built. It represents not only the innovation of its time but also the resilience of the machines and the crews who operated them. If you've enjoyed this detailed review of the Tu-16 Badger, make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notifications for more in-depth aviation reviews. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for the next incredible aircraft review right here on my channel.